In this video, I want to talk just a little bit about the Canadian dollar. Now, if you look back pre-flop, is what I like to refer to it as, pre-open of the market. As you can see, this is the opening market, this yellow time frame today. You can see the overlap of the London market coming in here. You can see this market's been swing trading just beautifully. Swing trading, of course, meaning that we could just swing the arrows from buy to sell over a period of time. That's swing trading back and forth across a trend. Now, this market came down. You can see that we've got this market tuned in here with a couple of entry points. You can see right here coming into the open of this market, we had a nice little re-entry on this blue light system. So we had our entry back here. Of course, that was 11:30 in the middle of the night, Eastern Standard Time. So we were all sleeping and didn't take this position. Of course, on the early morning London time frame, there was a re-entry market time frame right there, and then here in the New York time frame we got another re-entry. So if we're looking for that three drive pattern, there's drive one, we have the entry pattern here, the counter trend, and it's just small, but then we have drive two, which then gives us the counter trend, and we're anticipating drive three to the bottom of this overall Elliott wave trend. And this is coming in kind of perfect timing right here at the morning open. And so we came in here, we put in a couple of orders, an order for two contracts to take the short position, looking for that third drive down. And as you can see in this case, this market continued to move in our favor and drop down here all the way down. We were able to attach the orders, our stop orders, to the blue light system and continue to allow that market to move down with this in our favor until we were stopped out right here with an intercept on that order on the blue light system. You can see down here in the accounting window that resulted in two orders, one at 145 and 150 for a total of $295. Of course, those numbers don't represent commissions and fees. And that was, of course, a nice little trade this morning in the morning session, right off of just the re-entry dots of the blue light system on the Canadian dollar.
The number one question I get when people watch my videos is they want to know what software platform I'm using and what indicators I'm using. First and foremost, if you come to our website, tradementors.com, you'll notice that we have a section here called Tools for Traders. If you click on Tools for Traders, the software tools in here are listed. And you can see the recommended trading tools. We have the live trading platforms that we use. These are from Track and Trade Live Futures, and Track and Trade Forex. If you click these more info buttons, you can find out more information about the platforms we're using. I also use a plug-in to the live futures version that is called the Bulls and Bears. That's the Bulls and Bears is what turns the price bars red, yellow, and green and gives me the Elliott wave blue light system. And so that's a plug-in into the live version of Track and Trade, and it works on both the live futures as well as the live Forex. Now, some research tools that we love and that we have here listed as well are the Trade Miner tools. This is Trade Miner for stocks, futures, and Forex. This is one of the research tools that helps us identify the fundamental nature of markets. And then, of course, we have Newsminer. Newsminer is the current active information, scours the internet, tells you what the current news is on any given stock, future, or Forex, and then ranks them, which ones or which markets are in play. So again, if you want to have a little bit of information about the tools that we use here at Trade Mentors, come to our website, www.tradementors.com, and click on the Tools for Traders button.